Behind me, guys, is some of the craziest cars in the world, like this F1 GTR or LM, something like that. Look at this. But before we get into today's video, guys, we'd like to ask guys to subscribe. Today's going to be absolutely insane. All right, so first off, we have the F1. Then we have this McLaren P1. Got a couple of other cars following it too. Look at that, a full carbon fiber Porsche. And then if we could see up there, you know, we got Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. What in the actual heck? This is not what I was expecting whatsoever. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god, CGT. Holy, the purple on that looks so crazy. But the eyes on that SS, oh my goodness, that is devious, bro. Then we got the McLaren Senna. I think that's the GTR right there. Oh my goodness. And look at this, y'all. We have the Bugatti Devo rim watch here. No Devo yet, but look at that. I got the Devo rim next to the Chiron rim. Man, that's such a cool design, buddy. Full carbon fiber Bugatti Chiron. Oh, okay. Look at this. Absolutely insane. Got the Senna GTR right behind it. Man, what an absolutely insane car this is. Look at the carbon fiber dive planes on it. Oh my goodness. Gonna fully zoom out here. Holy. Got another CGT right behind it. A Ford GT MK, or not that. Oh wait, never mind. Got an older Ford GT and then a few other cars. Look at that. Wow. Gorgeous spec. Now let's get a rear shot of this here. You can see the massive rear diffuser, full carbon fiber, the full carbon fiber wing, the dual exhaust pipes. Crazy car. Then we got the CGT here, of course. Man, this road is hot. This car is so beautiful. Got the yellow calipers on it, the red like little cap on the rims here, and then we got the Ford GT. Got the HRE wheels, absolutely dope. Holy, look at that. Got a few more cars down there, like a McLaren P1, an Aston Martin Valhalla. What is that back there? I can't really see. McLaren P1. Ooh, what a beautiful color on that too. That gray with those rims, got the like almost McLaren orange type calipers, and 12 o'clock little line right there. Got the Aston Martin Valhalla. You can get a rear shot of this. Dude, look at all of the like mechanical parts on this P1 here for that wing. The like active wing. Looks so crazy. And then my first time seeing the Aston Martin Valhalla. Holy, what an insane car this is. Also, look at that paint. Oh my goodness. It's like rainbow, it has like rainbow sparkles in it. That is so crazy. Could zoom in a bit here, really see this car. It is so hot. I bet my phone is like overheating right now. Got all of these big engine hypercars pulling up. Look at all the carbon fiber on like the door, the side skirt, the front splitter. Wow. Oh my, look at that. All the carbon fiber on the rear diffuser there is absolutely wild. What the heck? Oh my, that thing is wide as ever. Then we got the CGT here. Another one, man, lots of CGTs, and holy, the color on this is crazy. Oh, then we got the Martini livery Resvani, which if you guys haven't seen, we just did a review on a Resvani tank. So if you guys want to see that, absolutely insane. We got the keys to it. We started it up and everything. One of the most insane car reviews we've ever done. But right here, we got the McLaren Senna. Look at all of the carbon fiber on this car. Holy, dude. Has carbon fiber on the bonnet, on the front splitter, on the headlights, on the side skirt, on the wing. Carbon fiber literally for days. Got the Porsche 918 behind it as well. Now let's get a low down shot of this. Man, what an aggressive car. This blue too. This blue is absolutely gorgeous. It's like the MSO blue. Holy, oh my. And then you got the little like window down here. The McLaren Senna, one of the most beautiful designed McLarens of all time. Obviously, oh, carbon fiber, the S is in carbon fiber. Gorgeous. Got the Porsche 918 Spider in this blue. We saw this one other time. Still don't think that video's seen the light of day, unfortunately. But holy, does that look good. And then another SP3 Daytona. Dude, we see so many of these SP3s. Another Senna back there. What? Senna's in CGTs today, man. I don't know if we've seen this one before. Might have been at Cars and Copters, like somewhere in the crowd. Not too sure. I feel like I remember this. But, you know, as you can see, we got I think that's a Ferrari Enzo back there. I can't tell. Yeah, it is a Ferrari Enzo, guys. Ferrari Enzo right here. And then a McLaren P1. What is that? Is that an HDK? Holy, I think it is. Yeah, wow. McLaren P1 HDK, crazy stuff. And yeah, I think that is the end of the hypercar lineup. So now they're all going to park. So we're gonna go check that out real quick if we can even get there. I mean, dude, there's so many people here. I don't even know how we're gonna get to this, dude. There's a sea of people blocking this right now. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Got the McLaren F1. Holy, I think this is this a GTR?
Yeah, GTR.
GTR, thank you. Yeah, I got the McLaren F1 GTR right here, guys. What the heck? This is the first F1 I've ever seen. Holy, look at the sea of people around this right now. What an insane car, and obviously, you know, in the best delivery possible. So yeah, I know the normal F1 goes for like $20 million, so I think this one's probably like 21, 24, I'm not sure. I feel like I've seen prices here and there, but good Lord, is that beautiful. This is insane, dude. Oh my goodness, the McLaren F1 GTR. Look at how long the rear is, and that like, the wing that comes off from the side. Oh my. And right here, guys, we got JJ by the bay. I've talked to him on Discord a bit. He does, what do you do?
I do car photography and videography right now. We got this beautiful McLaren F1 GTR, chassis 23R. It's a podium finisher at Le Mans. It won the 4 hours of Silverstone. It also won the 4 hours of Sebring. But I'm gonna take you on a little tour of it. Playful, you can do whatever commentary you want. I'll just take you around for a tour.
All right, guys. Well, yeah, look at this. A huge shout out to JJ over here because, yeah, we got a little barrier in front of us. We can't really get too close, but JJ's hooking us up and getting them shots for us, dude. So crazy. Look at the headlights, all the carbon on there. And then, yeah, that little wing in the back there where it comes like on the side. Oh, it's actually so crazy. Never thought I'd see one of these before, but wow, just, yeah, look at these shots right here, dude. Getting access that no one else is getting. Absolutely crazy. But like I said, y'all gotta subscribe, all right? Who else is getting content like this? There's very few people here and in the world that will ever get to see this car. Oh my, yeah, absolutely insane. JJ, thank you so much, man.
No problem, no problem.
Getting that exclusive access. What in the heck, y'all? McLaren F1 GTR here. Was not expecting that, dude. I thought it was about to be a CLK on the picture. No, it was an F1 under wraps, but look at this, dude. We got a ton more absolutely insane hypercars. If we can make it through this sea of people, dude. Have the Ferrari Enzo right here, man. Honestly, I don't really understand the hype with the Enzo. I've never really cared for it too much. It does look really cool, but yeah, dude, oh my goodness, everyone just swarmed straight around this. They're pushing people out the way. But look, you got CGT right there. Oh my, bro, this car. It is a crazy car. I mean, it is like a spaceship, especially for its time. This is just wild. I mean, the engineering on this, look at all of the lines too. It's like, it's smooth, yet it's also so aggressive. Oh my, look at the interior on this. Absolutely wild. You got the engine right there. Everything is so hot around this car too, dude. All these big engines, all the people, they're just making everything like 1,000,000 degrees. You can see some like fans in it right there. But man, I'm trying to move around here, dude. I think, and everyone else is doing the same exact thing. There's so many cool cars here. Oh my, look at this. CGT in the almost like Dodge purple. That's crazy. Beautiful, beautiful purple on that. There we go. There's a good shot of it. The Senna GTR. Wow, this car looks so wide with all of the dive planes and the big front splitter it has on it, and obviously all in carbon fiber. Wow, that is a track demon right there. Since we see a lot of P1s, we're gonna kind of just go over this real quick, and also because there's no one here, but you know what, Senna, forget it. We're looking at the Senna here. Woo, baby, look at how big that is. Oh my goodness, the dual exhaust pipes, all of the carbon fiber everywhere. Look at that rear diffuser, that is crazy. Got the tow hook right there. Yeah, literal race car this is. Looks like some of the stickers are low-key peeling off. Probably been pushing this thing pretty hard, but you can see the GTR seats in there, man. Oh, the like carbon fiber bucket seats to really just straddle you in there. Got the little window on the side. Crazy, crazy cars. We're gonna try to go this way again so you can get the front of the Valhalla. I've never seen a Valhalla before, by the way, so. Oh, wow. All right, gorgeous, gorgeous car. And like I was saying, you can kind of see some rainbow sparkle in the black paint right there. And then the carbon fiber up near the windshield, a full carbon fiber roof too with the roof scoop. Aston Martin, good Lord, just killing every single car in a good way, you know. The carbon fiber mirrors that have a really interesting fold to them. You know, instead of folding like full inwards, it like goes upwards. What the heck? I did not know that at all. What a interesting car, but yeah, look at that. All the carbon fiber, got the dual exhaust pipes on the top there. Wow, this is absolutely insane. I'm honestly at a loss for words here. We're gonna be repeating a few words because wow, just wow. That is all that can describe this really. But got another McLaren Senna right here. Got normal carbon on this one. What an interesting spec this is. It looks like we also might have some blue carbon here and there. If we could zoom in there, or that might just be like some shaders with the MSO. Where the heck am I even zoomed into? There we go. Wow, that got lost there. All of the carbon fiber on this Senna here. Gorgeous. Got the SP3 Daytona, another Senna. Man, I am low-key out of breath. I'm getting lightheaded out here. I'm spitting these, but we're gonna try to get over to that real quick. Low-key might have to skip the SP3. A lot of people are around this car. We've seen a dozen of them, but we'll get a quick clip for if you guys haven't seen those videos yet. Yeah, I think I can see it. Dude, it's so bright out here. Oh yeah, there's a shot. Man, this breeze right now, there's a nice little breeze. You can see it in the flags over there. But SP3 Daytona, Ferrari is low-key just going mad with all of these new designs and stuff. Absolutely loving it. Got the Senna there, the P1 HDK. You know, something so crazy to me is that this IKEA is still open. So there's still people getting mattresses, right? Getting pillows and stuff. And then you come outside to see this. This will be absolutely insane. Got $20 million F1 over there. And you just trying to get a few, you know, pillowcases. All right, second P1 HDK we've seen. This is honestly probably one of the best specs we have ever seen on a P1 HDK here. Yeah, look at this. Gonna quickly zoom over here. Yeah, you can see the green. Loving these gray rims too. And just the 5-spoke, absolutely mad. But then this interior too, the like leather interior, man. Oh my, beautiful, beautiful seats. Loving all the carbon fiber everywhere as well. Giant exhaust tips. That carbon fiber on the inside of that too. Like there's just carbon all over this car. One of the most insane events of the year, honestly. Got so many people. Got the Bugatti Chiron SS, the Super Sport, looking absolutely gorgeous in the black on orange. What an iconic spec for Bugatti. Loving these rims here too. Very nice, like twisted design. Got carbon fiber on the side skirt and everything. Look at that. It says Super Sport right there. The orange interior. Oh, looking mad beautiful. Also got glass on the top of this. Yeah, oh wow. W addition to that. That probably costs a bit more, right? Because you got to put glass in there instead of carbon fiber or paint. So, absolutely amazing. One of my favorite Chiron SSs I think I've ever seen. We've seen this 918 before, so we're just going to quickly pass over it here. But still, like I said, for the people who haven't seen those videos yet, we could get a few little shots of it. Man, this color, the most beautiful 918 Spider I've ever seen, in my opinion. Yeah, the blue on this with the green accents is just gorgeous. One of the brightest cars here right now, this yellow Porsche Carrera GT. Holy, what an iconic car this is. I mean, we just saw the 918 over there. This is the predecessor to it. And holy, does it hold up. I mean, the wing on this. Yeah, look at that. A wing that goes up and down. Usually with speed, they have it up right now. So you got these F15 type exhaust pipes on it. Just a wild design. Got the interior of it here. Very nice like plaid weave and stuff. Loving that. Got 4GT right there. And wow, just wild and magnificent green. I mean, this is like has some blue tints in this. Hopefully these microphones are doing its job. Loving the seats in that though. One of the best seats ever, especially on these 4GTs. Got the back of this Carrera GT open here. Don't know if I've ever seen the rear of one of these open up. We got the top down on this, a little wood on the shifter. But dude, come back here. You can see all the carbon fiber and everything. Man, Porsche just killing it out here. But we have another Chiron, a Super Sport 300 Plus. Holy, full carbon fiber. I mean, there's so many that look like that, right? But this could possibly be the very first Bugatti I've ever seen right here. We saw this a while back. I never recorded a video. That was before I had this channel here. It's probably on the main channel. I'm not too sure. But yeah, look at this. Got Devo rim watch with this. One day we'll see a Devo. One day we'll match the rims. But look at this, all carbon fiber. Got the orange weave going throughout here, the orange stripe. Got the engines back here, the W16, 16 cylinders, y'all. Crazy. Got it in almost like the top speed configuration with the wing here. It's not too high, it's not too low either. Got the quad exhaust in the back, and I think if we go low enough, there might be, I think there's even more exhaust pipes under the car, which aren't really visible. But yeah, look at those lights. So crazy, dude. Just gorgeous. And then once again, another very bright car, the McLaren P1. Only got the carbon fiber on the bottom of the wing, the paint on the top. Honestly, probably one of the best configurations for a wing I've ever seen on a P1 before. Holy. And this paint too, look, I don't know if y'all can see that, the sparkle in it. Wild. All right, y'all, I gotta make this quick, but look at this. I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, a Liberty Walk Lamborghini Huracan. Absolutely crazy. We saw this at Cars and Copters. Yeah, holy, absolutely beautiful. And then there is a Temerario somewhere here. Not too sure where. Got a Revuelto 6x6 G-Wagons. We're just really gonna be speed running this here, because yeah, I gotta leave, dude. I was around that F1 for so insanely long. We've seen this guy here before, or this guy's dope. Where's, there it is, the Lamborghini Temerario, the V8, or yeah, the V8 beast of a car. Look, I don't even know what color this is. This might be one of the newer colors on the Lamborghinis, but yeah, such interesting rims on that. It almost looks factory, but these are the, I think the AL13s or whatever. Absolutely beautiful on that. Got the orange interior. Oh, baby. What a clean spec. And I'm loving these new designs and everything. And obviously the exposed wheel right here. Don't get behind these on the freeway. That will kick up rocks against your window. But wow. One of the best Temerarios I think we've ever seen. And we've seen a few. And we got the custom Huracan over here. We've seen that guy before. We could kind of skip over that. Look at this Revuelto though. We've also seen this guy a few other times. Loving the gray with that like Verde Scandal type caliper color. Crazy. And then yeah, there's a few other cars. We've seen most of these at Cars and Coffee before, so I don't think we're really gonna bother with any of these. Yeah, no, we've seen like all of these guys before. These are Cars and Coffee regulars. But there is one car here that I do want to check out real quick, and it is whatever in the absolute heck this thing is. I don't even know what this is. It looks like a Pagani that was just sliced up through like a cheese grater or something. Yeah, what the heck? I mean, look at this logo. I don't even know what that is. Looks like a Ferrari forged, but it almost looks like a Utopia or the Huayra Catalunga or something. Just, yeah, altered to the max. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights on the front. Almost looks like something out of Star Wars, not even gonna lie. This looks like, yeah, straight out of Star Wars, dude. Like, if they had to use wheels in those movies, it would be this car here. Good Lord, what? This is crazy, bro. I don't even know what this is. Got a Ferrari leaving right there. Interesting rim choice. Well, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to subscribe and like us to turn notifications. It's an insane video like this. Go subscribe to my gaming channel. We're trying to hit 25,000 subscribers on that. We're getting so insanely close. And subscribe to this channel because we're only at like 400 as of filming this. Like, come on, what are we doing? We're seeing McLaren F1 GTRs. We do car reviews on this channel too. We've reviewed Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Porsches, all that. We get the keys to the cars, we start them up and all that, just like these two Ford GTs behind me are starting up too. Anyways, y'all, stay playful and I'll see you guys all in the next one. See ya!